Don't you want to shoot him?
Yeah, I do want to shoot him.
Then yes, you do.
I don't want to be on my team.
You want to play against him?
I'm
No.
outside. We're outside. Mormons versus the non-Mormons.
What's the game plan? What are we doing?
Airsoft. You guys are assaulting and trying to shoot us, and we try to shoot you.
Exactly. I'm a cat you and motherfucker.
No, hey, go outside.
Way too close.
Seriously, get outside. Okay? I'm gonna mess you up, man. Ain't that fun, man? Ain't that fun?
That's why you can't play. Mother. Yo!
It wasn't broken. Martha.
Oh, this is gonna be crazy.
Yeah, boy.
Hey,
Scott!
God, you're on my team.
Scott!
Yeah.
How long do we wait?
Alright, this is the plan. We just charge.
We just sit in the Mustang. Shotgun.
Just write it in there.
No, we're just gonna charge.
No. Hey, what door are they opening?
Wait, what are you doing?
Is this tired for distraction?
Are we going?
Yeah, roll it in there. Dude, roll it in there.
What are you doing?
Alright, man, let's go. We're not going yet.
What are you doing?
We're not going, man.
I know.
Sean. Anything.
Go on.
If you shoot me, I will mess you up and both will do like.
Hey, when we say go, you guys can start coming in.
When do we get inside? Okay, this is the plan.
Hey, no, it's real. Like, what are
No,
we doing? We're just trying
We're
to
gonna
get
just
in there.
sprint, just dive over that
Is it
stuff.
one shot kill?
I think it's until you're. I don't know. They're coming up with a strategy, bro. That's not even fair. They're like, they're like, yeah, we're real good at paintballing.
I haven't played here. John's played here.
Sean's gonna do something crazy, like drag Brandon in and just...
Shoot him like point blank, yeah, right in the neck.
Hey, see that passageway there?
Dude, that door's open too. You can open that door. Yeah!
Come on. Come on.
Hey, spread out, dude, spread out. Hey, wait.
Yo, Scott.
Stupid. You look like an idiot. Dude, this door's open. You can open this door. Jeez. Grenades? Freaking.
What happened?
Hey. Hey, idiot! Someone lay suppressing fire from the other side.
Hey, get in there.
No, from that place over there. You guys are idiots.
I see him.
Hey, Nate and Sean, I'm coming in. It's Dylan. All right. That side's freaking boring, bro.
This side? It is. One inside, Nate.
Oh, sweet baby Jesus.
John, where?
One's right in front of you between the two doors. LeVar away from the front door. He's out back to the front door. Hey, Scott's inside the garage on the right side of the RV. Get Scott. He's on the right side of the RV. Dude, where did you hit me? Help me.
I hit you, you're dead.
Dude, all your bees fell out. All your bees.
I'm done.
All your bees fell. They're falling out of your pocket. It looks like blood. Holy Jesus.